If you have ever wondered how much YouTube pays for a video with over 10,000 views, then this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to be going full on transparent with you. I'm not going to be gatekeeping anything. I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how much YouTube paid me with this video that is over 15,000 views right now. And the crazy thing is, I've had videos to over 15,000 views. In fact, I currently have a video with over 100,000 views on this channel that, compared to the amounts that this particular video gave me, like, you cannot even compare, because it is so crazy. And funny thing is, this video, the RPM was done like the audience were even Nigerians. That's the funny thing. But I'm going to be sharing you exactly what made this video like different, why it did so much when it comes to revenue. So there are so many factors that actually affect how much YouTube is going to pay you. So let me just put it out there that YouTube payment is not fixed. YouTube does not actually have like exact amounts that it pays you per 1,000 views. So RPM might vary. If you don't know what RPM is revenue per milli, and CPM is cost per milli. So cost per milli is how much advertisers are willing to pay for your videos, to put ads on your videos. Why RPM is what YouTube is going to pay you out of what advertisers are willing to pay. So YouTube is going to take their cut and pay you the rest. So I think it's like 55 to 45 ratio. YouTube is going to keep 45 and they're going to pay you 55. So that's the difference between CPM and RPM. Anyway, so for you to now earn on your videos, it now totally depends on how much YouTube is willing to pay you. Another thing is also the location of your audience. So if your audience is from the US or the UK, you're going to see an increase in your RPM because advertisers will be willing to pay more. So YouTube will by default pay you more on those videos. But if your audience are typically from India, Nigeria, I'm sorry to say, but your RPM is really going to be low or just mid. So you just need to put that in mind. So now let's get into the video. How much did YouTube pay me for this video with 15,000 views? So if you see me looking down, it's because I'm in a system and I'm going to be checking it in real time. So this particular video currently has 16,300 views. It's crazy because it's been over a year since I posted this video actually, and it's still making me money up until this day. This is why I always say that, see, if you want to start a YouTube channel, please go the searchable content route. Produce evergreen content. I personally have a vlog channel. It is doing well, but when I don't post on my vlog channel, I don't make money. But on this channel, whether I post or I don't, I make money. Why? Because the content on here are evergreen. People are always searching for something on this channel that's going to lead them to this channel. So if you are a beginner wanting to start YouTube channel, put that in mind. I know that a vlog is cute, aesthetic content is cute, but you also need to think long term. So if you know you want to do it, how about mixing it? Make sure that your vlog contents are also searchable. I mean, I'm already giving too much tips, so let's get right into it. This particular video has 16,300 views as at when making this video. 8% of viewers are still watching as I start. The 30 seconds benchmark. Let us see more. So the current watch time that I've gained on this video, I have gained over 742.1 watch time. View is 34.1%. It's kind of high if you ask me. Like, this video is only 8 minutes long and over 34% watched. That's like a 1/3 or almost 2/3 set. That's really great. So this video has been shown to 124,000 people and 10.1% only click through. I mean, it's not bad. It's YouTube. Like, this is even a good click-through rate if you ask me. So now let's look at how viewers find this video. A lot of them found this video through YouTube search, suggested videos. This is what I'm saying. A lot of people find this video through YouTube search. That means people are always searching for something related to this topic. If it was just vlog, like we would have done numbers and then we would have stopped. External sites, Google search. So if people even go on Google to search, Google search is even leading a lot of people to my video. WhatsApp, Google Go, WhatsApp, Bing.io. That's really good. Content suggesting this video, how to properly use the Amlatin body lotion. Anything related to Amlatin is bringing people here, which is quite good. How many watch time did I get from the video? So I got 742 watch time hours from this video. My average view duration for this video is 2 minutes 43 seconds, like 20 seconds more than usual, which is really nice. And I also got some haters. Some people disliked this video. 7 people disliked, and every other person liked this video. Some people are just haters on YouTube. I don't know why. Because if you don't like a video, you can just go past. Why are you disliking? But that's their personal problem. So how many subscribers did we get from this video? We got over 82 subscribers. Like, that's crazy. That's really crazy. Now let's look at where my audience is from. Advice type is like from mobile phone. A lot of people watch through mobile phone, computer, TV, tablets. That's really nice. And 100% female. Like, no single man watch this video. They don't like skincare, and I don't know why. Do they not have skin? Because what is this logic with men and skincare? You're like, I'm a man, I'm not supposed to. What do you mean you're not supposed to be doing skincare? You're a man, you have skin. Skin is the largest organ on your body. Why are you not doing skincare? But that's a story for another day. So, what's the age group of people that watch 25 to 34? I guess that makes sense. I'm like saying that. I don't know. But 25 to 34 years old were the only ones that watched this video. It's really nice. So now, I said earlier that a lot of things that determines your audience is the location, right? But unfortunately for this video, a lot of Nigerians are the ones searching for it. So my top geography is Nigerian, United States, United Kingdom, Ghana. So looking at it, you think that this video is not really supposed to like do great. So what changed? Now let's go to what exactly you people are looking for. Top subtitles, people from English, French, Arabic, German. That's really nice. Let's go to what you people have been waiting for exactly, which is how much did this video make me? Now, ta-da! Drum roll, please. How much were advertisers willing to pay? Advertisers were willing to pay $6.81 on this video. Yes. Like, you see, it's just made average. So how much was YouTube really willing to pay me? YouTube was willing to pay me a whole 3.31. So far, 51.25. $51.25 on this video, which is really crazy. Like, even when I checked the revenue, even I was surprised because I have videos with over 15,000 views and they barely made $10. So this one made me 51.26 cents. Like, imagine if this video did not even go viral. That's the funny thing. It was just a regular video, but it continued to bring more traction. That's what I always say about creating searchable videos, creating evergreen content. If you go and search like last 48 hours, people are still watching. Last 60 minutes, people are still watching the video. That's to show you that searchable content and evergreen content is the way to go. So this video so far has been 50. Imagine that I'm lucky enough to like make, maybe I'm only posting once a week and I post this kind of video like 4 times in a month. That's already standby $200. Like, if you're making $200 in this economy, you're making money. Because a lot of people are not even making $200 and they are going to 9 to 5 every single day. So let me just tell you. So imagine you that you're not posting more than once in a week. So you can be lucky. This is why I always say that YouTube is really, really unpredictable. You just really need to like post your content, be strategic about it, and just hope for the best, because anything can happen. When I posted this video, you see the first 7 days, nothing happened. It was just like regular. It was barely making 100 views. And as time goes on, it continues to like gain momentum. It continues to bring traction. And look at us now. A year later, we are still getting paid from this video, which is really crazy. Like, it's really crazy. So if you are curious about how much YouTube pays for over 10,000 views on YouTube, I'll tell you that it is not stagnant, it's not stable, it's not a salary. It totally depends on the audience watching on this video, the RPM, and how much advertisers themselves are willing to pay to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and of course, leave a comment. And see you in my next video.